The government has put into place a certain standard operating procedure for the movement of laborers during this time. Remember, from today, that is April 20th, laborers are allowed to engage in certain activities which includes agriculture, manufacturing, industrial, farming and Manrega work while maintaining social distancing norms. Now, in this set of standard operating procedure that has now been put into place for the laborers, the government has asked the states to follow certain guidelines that has been put in place, which includes asymptomatic laborers will be transported to their workplace only after they are screened. Additionally, there can be no-way travel between states or any of the union territories. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Ayushman, while there has been certain activities that are now allowed to function, the laborers, of course, can also engage in these activities. It is important to note that there are several standard operating procedures that have now been laid down to further ensure that there is no spread of virus. What are these SOPs that have now been laid, Ayushman?
Well, Apurva, we know for the fact that all across the country we have seen over 1 lakh camps where the migrant laborers are staying there, and the fooding has been done by the center, state, or some NGOs. In these, relating to these, the guidelines have been issued from the MHA, in which it has been told that they will be registered. The intrastate movement is allowed, but the interstate movement is not allowed. We have been told that the fooding facility will be done at the camps where they are staying right now, and they'll also be registered whenever they are being transported. They are going from one place to another. The social distancing norm should be there. Mandatory. That part is very much mandatory, and the masks should be provided to all the workers who will be working. Mostly, we have seen the relaxation in form of agriculture works and Narega also, Purva. But the government has clearly said that if the
Okay.
migrant workers are working in the state's purview or in the state's boundary, they can work, but they cannot be allowed to move from one state to another.